morning everyone. I hope everyone loved the last video that I did about factories and machines and everything like that. The reason of this new video is because I want to show everyone how I work, how I do the videos and everything like that, how I am studying, doing all, because people think that YouTube is really easy. It's not like that. You have to read books, you have to listen music to concentrate and work for a long time of hours, because all that video that you see, you have to edit, you have to do a lot of things. Also, I have like kind of notebook that I wrote all my notes and all the things that I want that people tell me that they like, that they doesn't like, and how we're gonna to improve, because the main reason of that is like you love the channel and we grow something better together. That's the main reason that I wanted to show my face now, that you see how I'm working. Okay, also I spend like 6 hours to 8 hours a day here working, because it's really difficult. Even if people think that this is easy, it's not easy at all that you think, because I have to create something that you like and be on the computer. Okay, I hope everyone liked the content. Now you see where I work, and see you in the next video. Buenos días, buenas tardes o buenas noches, dependiendo de donde se encuentren. La razón de este video es que quiero enseñarles cómo es que yo trabajo y dónde lo hago. Esta es mi pequeña oficinita donde yo me encargo de hacer los videos de YouTube. Muchas personas piensan que YouTube es fácil. No es así, debido a que hay que leer, hay que estar editando los vídeos y hay que estar tomando notas, porque lo más importante es que a ustedes les gusten los vídeos y los disfruten y los vean. Si no, no tiene ningún sentido que me pase 6 o 8 horas haciendo los vídeos. La gente piensa que YouTube eso va a ser un video y subirlo. No, tiene un algoritmo detrás de eso, tiene una ciencia. Entonces en próximos videos voy a estar explicando un poco más acerca de todo esto, así que espero que se sigan suscribiendo y crecer algo together. Bye.